Hey, what's up? Today we are gonna make mini Union Achilles Beyblade. So let's get started. First, cut bay prong holes on the bottle cap as Sinan is doing. I think Sinan is professional in cutting caps. But it's his deshi style. Carry on. So this is how it will look like. But now it's time for real struggle. Now take 2 glue gun sticks and stick as Sinan is sticking, and also stick both glue sticks in curve position. Now it's time to give a shape like Union Achilles. You can use a sharp cutter, but also try to use soldering iron for better look. So Sinan is done shaping the Beyblade layer. Looks great, but it's a very complicated work to do, so that's why he can't show the Beyblade layer shaping properly. Still, we will adjust. Now it's time to make the Achilles face. Now place a paper on the template and start tracing the Achilles face as Sinan is doing. Now cut it with scissors. Now Sinan will add some colors. Pretty good looking. Now stick it on the layer properly. Now Sinan is adding super glue to turn paper into plastic. Nice deshi idea. Now stick a bottle cap at the bottom. Now stick 4 small glue stick pieces as Sinan is doing. Now finally stick a small bottle cap and stick something that looks like a tip. You can also check out that video at the corner. This is a great trick to force audience to watch his 2 videos for 1 Beyblade. Still, we will adjust. Now it's time to add colors on the whole Beyblade. Here you go. Not bad. Hope for balanced performance. So what are you waiting for?